Hey guys, I actually got a chance to mess with this thing today a little bit. It's that little Hyson 97cc 3-horse. Um, Cut some 1-inch square stock to get it mounted up. I'm having some problems with this tank, but I have this other tank that'll fit right on there, so I'm gonna swap out the tanks. And I got some genuine Japanese old school foot pegs. Got to get some more chain. I've got the brakes for it in a box. I got to get a new clutch. That clutch is pretty much done for. And this cat really wants to be a YouTube star. Yeah, we got a little bit of work to do to it, but hey, it's always something. Take care, guys.